Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words great and great. Great and great are homophones, meaning they sound similar but have different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. Great is an adjective, meaning wonderful, large in size, or significant. For example, she did a great job on her presentation. The view from the top of the mountain is great. Great, verb or noun, meaning to shred food into small pieces using a tool, can also refer to a metal framework used to cover a fireplace. For example, verb, please grate the cheese for the recipe. Noun, the fireplace has a decorative grate. To summarize, use great to describe something positive or significantly large. Use great when referring to the action of shredding food or the noun for a fireplace cover. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.